Okay, now could we write the equation if we started with a graph? Well, on these, you have to notice that these, I know it's a little small, but these go 2, 4, 6. So just be aware of that when we start working on these. And this goes 2, 4, 6 here too. So here, the first thing I do is I'm going to find where my vertex is. Well, my vertex on this one is -3 and 5. And I'm going to, on each one of these, I'm going to find the slope. So I just find somewhere on this line and do my slope. Well, this is rise 4 and run 4. So my slope equals -4/4, and that equals -1. So to write my equation, I'm writing the equation in the form ax minus h plus k. So f of x is the same as y. A is my slope, it's -1. X minus -3 plus 5. And then I could rewrite this as plus a positive if I wanted to. Either one is okay. Now let's describe the transformation. What happened here? Well, we translated left 3, up 5, and it's a reflection over x-axis because it's pointing down. It's a reflection. All right, let's do the next one. Find the slope. Remember, this is 2 and 4, and this is 2. So my vertex is at 4, 1. My slope is, let's find a good place to do it, 2/2, which is 1. So my equation is going to be my slope is 1 for A, so I don't have to write that. I could write a 1 there if I wanted to. X minus h, here's h and k. And that's it. I could write the 1 there if I wanted, but I don't have to. Let's write our transformation. Well, it's right 4, up 1, and there's no reflection. All right, my next one. Remember, this is 2 and 4. So my vertex here is at 2 and -3. And my slope is still 2/2. Negative because it's going down, so it's -1. So when I write it, A is -1, absolute value of x minus h. Here's my h and k. H is 2 minus h plus k is -3. Let's write our translation. So that's right 2, down 3, and reflection over x-axis. The reflection is always going to be over the x-axis in these. All right, then we have one more set of ones to do. We're going to do the same thing here, but we've got some extra stuff happening here. So these are just 1 each time here, so I'm going to do my vertex is at 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 1. And this time our slopes are different, so these we get to practice with the slope. So my slope here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/2. So my slope is 2. So here's my formula again, ax minus h plus k. So this is h and k, and this is a. So I'm going to have y equals, a is 2, absolute value of x minus a -4 plus 1. And I could change that to plus a positive. Now let's write our description of our transformation. It was left 4, up 1, no reflection, but this time I have a stretch or a dilation or a stretch, we like to call it a stretch, up. It stretched it taller by how much? By whatever our slope is, by 2. All right, this one, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. There's my vertex. And it's hard to do the slope on this side, but the slope's the same on both sides, so I can do it over here where I can see more of it. Let me find 2 points that's easy to do. How about right here and right here? So my slope is rise 1, run 2. And let's write our equation. Y equals, the slope is 1/2. This is my A. And here's my HK. X minus H plus K. Now let's write our transformations. Right 6 down, oops, this was a -3 here, and this is a -3. Down 3. And this one is not a stretch up, but it's a compression. I pushed it down. Compression by 1/2. This is just the slope. All right, and our last one to do here, our vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Our slope, let's find a place to look at it. Oop, it's just 1 here. Slope equals -1. Y equals, the slope is my A, -1. Absolute value of X minus H is 4 plus K. And then let's write our things. This is right 4, up 1. And this one, there's no compression or stretch, it's just a reflection over X.